Welcome back. In this video, we'll continue with the resources folder and let's move to the layout folder. XML layout files define the structure and arrangement of UI components in your app's screen. To define a new layout, we click on the layout folder, click new, and you choose layout resource file. Name it layout number 3, for example, and click enter. And you can see this is the layout file. You can go to split mode and the code mode and the design mode. And this is what we learned before and we worked with in the previous example. In Android Studio, the Mipmap folder is used to store launcher icons for your Android application at different resolutions and densities. Launcher icons are the app icons that users see on their device's home screen, app drawer, and other places where apps are displayed. The Mipmap folder is a specialized directory with the resource folder that helps ensure that launcher icons are appropriately sized and crisp on various devices. To change the app icon, we click on the Mipmap, click new, image asset, and here you can see the default IC icon launcher. This is the icon for the default Android application. So whenever you run the application, for example, this application, if I run it on the emulator, if I click the home button, and you can see this is the launcher icon of our application. These are newly created applications that we didn't define any icons for these applications. So this is the default IC_launcher. Again, new image asset, and you can see this is the icon of our application. Don't change the IC_launcher name. If you need to change the foreground, the background layer, options, and so on. So you can play with this icon. You can resize it, you can increase it, and there are a lot of options you can do. Also, you can choose for another image. I downloaded an image here called drawable. Click OK, and you can see this is the image. I am resizing. You can choose trim to trim it. Color, you select, for example, white, black. I'll choose this color, yellow. Next, and you can see that there is a warning that some files shown in red will overwrite existing file. Don't worry, click finish, run the application. Let's move to the home, and you can see this is our new app icon. So the Mipmap is used to define the app icon.